Alright, so I'm going to make this video of me replacing this cup holder right here. Now, what I've already done before I decided to start videoing is I just popped this little cover off with these super awesome tools that you can get at Harbor Freight for like next to nothing. So wedged it in there, pop these little guys out. The next thing I need to do is figure out what size this little guy is. And it looks like I'm going to have to pause and go get a smaller one. This is not going to work. So just a second. 5/16 it is. Okay, get this correct here. Well, that's annoying. Shush. Oh my God. Okay. There's that one. And then I think, if I'm not mistaken, maybe there was a casing. Maybe this pops off. Let's see. We're doing this together, folks. Oh, yes. Sorry. Did one step too soon. These little... Okay. Well, that one popped nicely. This one doesn't want to. Let's see if we can get this guy in there. You can see that if you had a screwdriver, you would really mess some things up, huh? May have to go get a different one. Hang on just a sec. Came with a bunch. This is not proving to be. There we go. It's a little daunting, but whoa, shit. So that was that. Okay. So now, obviously, we're going to unplug our stuff here without jacking too much up. Oh, is there a little button there or what? Electrical is not my forte. Oh, I see. Whoa. There's a button there. Okay. Looks like there's a little tab there that okay, got that off. Got the lighter thing off. Which, if I was smart, I would have purchased the, they have these things like this that it's like a prefabricated thing like this. Which that'll be my next thing. So the whole unit, instead of being like a lighter, it's just the two thingies there. So that's for my next project. All right, so now I think what we have to do is unscrew these bad boys. I haven't even opened the one that I bought. Hopefully this is the right damn thing. Luckily it's not very tight because it's plastic. I watched one YouTube video on this, so, but it wasn't my exact model, of course. But that's okay. Hopefully you can still see this. I'm just unscrewing this little guy. Make sure you get the washer with it. And this part, if you can believe it, cost me $166. It's just ridiculous. This is a 2017 Toyota Sienna. Needless to say, that plastic piece just gave way, and there's the broken part. I don't think Gorilla Glue or anything would have helped that. So, oh God, I hope it's the right one. It seems so big. Jesus, what the heck? Maybe it's just because it's extended. Yes. Oh, beautiful. All right. So now, how the hell did I just do that? I think it goes like this. There's a little lip there, but you want to make sure that goes between there. Dude, if I do this successfully, I am going to save myself easy on labor. I don't know how much that Toyota dealership would have cost me. Oh shit. I'm gonna have to pause that. Okay, I'm back. I got it. Now, let's try not to repeat that. Son of a bitch. Oh my God, I'm struggling here. Alright, so this little screw back in. Let's try not to repeat what I just did. Sure some of you are probably out there saying there's an easier way to do this, or I should have probably gone and done this at my table or something, but oh well. So I'm just screwing this little guy back in. Not tighten it all the way just yet. And I do know that they don't suggest over tightening, obviously, because of the plastic on plastic. Doesn't need to be cranked down super hard. So we are just gonna do a little, enough to make it not move, if that makes sense. All right. Boom, boom. Now, I'm going to plug these suckers back in. And hope all this stuff, like, works when I plug it back in. You never know. Oh, God damn. That seems... Oh, shit. Okay. This black one went there. That one went there. That one went there. Super easy. Now, they just... Come on. Are you kidding me? This is... I guess I gotta give Toyota props for making this somewhat easy. Again, not too tight, not too tight. other last little piece. And definitely using those little tools helps so you don't pop anything. Voila! Awesome.